I'd like to introduce Marcus Galindo, who will start off their presentation.
Okay, hello, my name is Marcus Galindo, and I'm just going to talk a little bit about the process to building the chair. So when we first started this, we had to write up a proposal to receive the grant that we luckily got to build this chair. And we sat down, and the students in our team came together to write a proposal that was accepted. And we got the grant to work. As soon as we found out that we had received the grant, we decided to set up management positions within our team for CAD designer, web designer, project manager, editor-in-chief, and chief financial officer. After that, we went into brainstorming for how we were going to design this chair, and we consulted with the physical therapist at our school to list key points on what our chair should do. And with that, we kind of created a basis for what we were going to make. Later on, we created individual paper models, about 3 inches tall, and they were functional to everything that we had designed for the chair. And they had implemented each person's ideas so that we would be able to showcase what each one of us thought our chair should do. We then went on to do Google Sketch and SolidWorks CAD drawings to demonstrate our designs more intricately. And once we had all our CAD drawings finished, we divided up into 3 groups and created 3 life-size prototypes out of wood to demonstrate how each prototype would work. Once all our prototypes were done and built, we had an open house at our school to showcase the 3 prototypes to the teachers and students at our school, and the physical therapy helpers and the special ed teachers. And we received feedback from them that helped us come up with the final design and what we were going to eventually build. We then got together and created a final CAD design, which showed every part of the chair that you see now. And from there, we just went on and started building. And Antonio Hernandez is going to tell you a little more about what our chair does.
Well, we created a physical therapy chair that we could use for the physically disabled kids at our school. And so basically this chair allows them to extend their arms to a certain range of their flexibility and get that exercise that they need to do that. And so Juan Carlos here is going to help demonstrate us of what the chair does and how it moves. And so, as you can see, we created a simple shoulder joint so that it can move in and out, and then also the arm can flex. Thank you. It can also flex, and so the same thing applies to the legs so that they're able to get the exercise that they need. And so everything on this chair is fabricated by us except for the hydraulic pump itself. So one of the special features that the chair can do is it can heat up so that it stimulates the kids' senses because they enjoy that type of thing, stimulation of sound, smell, and stuff like that. So that's kind of one of the things we added into it. And one of the other features is that it can vibrate. And so we custom built a vibrator on the bottom of the chair to stimulate the kids' muscles. Oh, I'm sorry. And so one of the things we recently did in these past weeks is we were invited to the White House Science Fair to present our chair to the people of the White House. And so we got to talk to the president for a brief few minutes, me and Diego, and we just kind of explained to him what the process of what this is like, because last year we had this program as a class, and so we participated in this daily. And so as of right now, we're participating in this on our extracurricular time because this is no longer a program. but we are working on the continuation grant of $2,000. So we need to raise $2,000 in order to get an additional $2,000 from the Lemelson MIT Foundation. Questions? For the process?
Shake hands.
Does anyone have any questions they would like to ask? Your work is just amazing. We're so proud.
Congratulations.
Go. Fabio. To the White House, I went. No, we didn't, but they had a conference for the teachers where they told us all the upcoming things that are coming out in science and technology and all that for